I'm sure you don't want to miss this one. AI make my village people to talk inside my picture. Like, I didn't make this video, I just upload my picture, write what I want to say, and the magic happened. AI is really amazing, guys. Remember, if you find this content helpful, follow me and share this content to your loved ones. I will be dropping step by step on how I did this. Try it and tell us on the comments section how fun it is.
All you need to do is just go to this website, hygiene.com, and you wanna try a hygiene for free. Then replace this photo with your own photo. You go to your gallery and put the image you want to make it to talk. Then, as you can see, I've uploaded my image. Then you select the edit your voice script as male. Then type in what you want the picture to say. Type in the exactly what you want your picture to say. Guys, AI is really amazing. It's really amazing. Just wait for it. Now click continue. When you're done, you click continue and fill in these details with your information, with your lightful information, and go to your email. They will send you the video. Here you want to take a look at the video. Then when you're done looking, you can download it light in your inbox. And
AI make my village people to be talking inside my picture. Unbelievable. I'm sure you don't want to miss this one. This is AI generated video. I didn't do this video. It's 100% generated by AI. And I want you to try it and share your experience on the comments section.